Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I am going to do general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. First we will see general messages regarding your career and finances, then we will see love messages. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. So this is recent past, present, future, your present energy, eight of swords under the deck, the lovers. So right now you are feeling stuck, Sagittarius, because your present energy is eight of swords. So first you need to come out of this energy because right now you have a lot of opportunities under the deck. We got the lovers card. Definitely you have options or opportunities regarding your career or finances, but you need to come out of this energy first, like eight of swords, then only you will able to see these options. Okay, so let's see recent past, magician with king of pentacles. In recent past, definitely you manifested big opportunities, there was stability in your finances, you were logical, everything was fine in recent past. Present, page of cups with ace of wands. So right now I'm saying an important communication is coming here regarding your career. Ace of wands means new opportunities, new beginnings. If you want to start something new, this is the right time. So you need to focus on your passion, and if you want to start something like new business, new job, new career, you can start. This is the best time. Okay, don't hesitate to start, because if you try, if you start, then you can able to know your abilities. Okay, and future high priestess with three of pentacles. In future you will follow your intuition and trust your inner voice. If not, you have to. And three of pentacles means you need to collaborate with other people in your work, then you will get best outcome. So always collaborate with other people to get the best outcome here. Teamwork is the best work. And don't share your secrets to anybody, because some people are toxic. Okay, don't share your secrets with everyone. Be particular. Okay, be choosy. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Under the deck, king of wands. Again, focus on your passion, follow your passion, and maintain certain boundaries here. Queen of swords. Listen to everyone, but learn how to filter that information. Five of cups with knight of swords. So don't think about your past. If you think about your past, definitely you will stuck, because five of cups, past is past. Okay, there is no use thinking about your past. And knight of swords means definitely things will move forward in your life. Knight of swords, fast moving energy, and you will get some important communication also. I want to clarify five of cups here. See, nine of pentacles. So you want financial stability, you want financial security, but first you need to come out of the stuck energy. You need to be present, focus on your opportunities, then you will able to be in this energy. Nine of pentacles. Okay, excuse me. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts. Your current thoughts. Your person present energy and your present energy. Under the deck, Ace of Wands represent new beginning. I think your person current thoughts regarding you, they are thinking that you are hiding something from them because Seven of Swords, they have some trust issues. In some cases, they are hiding something from you. But right now, they're thinking about communication here, Eight of Wands energy, and they are in a waiting mode, Seven of Pentacles. Your person is in a waiting mode. And Nine of Pentacles means, yes, they are independent. Your person is very, very independent because their present energy is Nine of Pentacles. They want to be financially stable and emotionally independent here. But regarding this relationship, either they are hiding something from you or you are hiding something from them. They really want to communicate with you, but at the same time, they are in a waiting game. And your present energy is Two of Wands. You are thinking, you are deeply thinking about this person, and you are thinking about new beginning here, new start. Lots of you are in long distance, living in different cities, states, or countries. And for some, the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. Definitely repetition of cycle or repetition of pattern here. Five of Pentacles. Definitely you are feeling lonely. You are feeling alone here. You are feeling that your person ghosted you. I'm seeing some waiting game between both of you guys. And lots of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. But under the deck, we got Ace of Wands. It represents new beginning here. So let's see your person next move. Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, and Three of Swords. See, your person next move is to watch you secretly, to spying you on social media because they're feeling heartbroken here. And Six of Swords means definitely they do thinking about communication and they do thinking about to fix things with you. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. I want to clarify Ten of Swords here. See the Empress. So they do want a new beginning, but your person is stubborn. They are juggling here. So that's why they will spy you on social media. Definitely. They're watching you secretly and they're missing you a lot. They're feeling heartbroken here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Knight of Pentacles, the Tower with Ten of Pentacles, under the deck Two of Pentacles. So things will move forward, but very, very slow moving energy. But again, there will be some ups and downs in this relationship because the Tower. Then I'm seeing some stability. For some families also involved in this relationship, you both need to balance your feelings and emotions. You both need to balance the relationship here. So let's clarify the outcome here. Three of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Queen of Cups, and Three of Wands. Three of Pentacles means partnership. Ace of Swords means clarity. Queen of Cups means emotional. You both have strong emotions towards each other. You both will get clarity. With the help of the third person, I'm saying you both will take this relationship to next level. Definitely, your person is talking about you with their friends or family to take this relationship to next level. Again, clarity is very, very important, guys, because Two of Swords is here. Mental clarity will be the key here. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Two of Cups. So you are thinking that this is your person, this is your soulmate here. You're definitely thinking about this person very, very positively. Some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energies here. And under the deck, we got Star. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius. So you are thinking about this person very, very positively, Sagittarius. And the Hanged Man. But some of you, you are still feeling stuck regarding this relationship. and you are in very very slow moving energy. Some of you really want to express your love to your person, but you are in slow moving energy. And don't overthink. If you're overthink, don't overthink. Quit this energy because it will spoil your mental health. And for some, a brand new person is also entering in your life, but that person is in very very slow moving energy. But that person will provide you emotional stability. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. And if anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.